Hi, third grade. Time for a craft using things you can find around your house. All right, this is a Velveteen rabbit craft. This is the sample of the one I found online, but I want to make ours look a little more like the Velveteen rabbit, more loved. I used old papers, the backs of papers. You need to find an envelope. Maybe you have an old bill, your parents have one, or y'all have some envelopes from gift cards or something. And I have old bags and things like that. All right, so those are the things you need, and some markers, scissors, glue. All right, what you see on the table. First, I found my envelope and I colored it all in brown, and I used curly cues because I was trying to make it look like the Velveteen rabbit. And then I have just a piece of paper I colored in brown too. All right, so what I want to do first after the coloring is I'm going to cut out the ears. The best way to do this is to fold that in half one time, fold it again. It's just a half sheet of paper folded twice. And now you could draw the ears on here. I was just going to cut it, but if you want to kind of give yourself an ear shape to follow, you could do that. And now I'm going to cut, and I wonder how many pieces I will get. All right, if I folded it twice, there's going to be 4 pieces. So each one is going to be 1/4 of my whole. So we have 4 pieces. And then I'm going to turn them all, but actually, so I have 4 pieces like that, but 2 of them I want smaller to be the middle. So you could also draw it, but I'm just going to cut them smaller. So it's going to be the middle of the ears. Now, if I want, I'm going to keep mine white, okay? You could color that another color. And then I'm going to quickly just put a dab of glue and glue that onto the middle of the ears to show. Oh, I drew the line on that one. Oh well, that's okay. And here. Now I have 2 cute little ears. So I'm going to take my head, which is my envelope. Now I think that's too big, so guess what? I'm going to make him a little bit smaller. He could be that size. It'd be interesting. I think I'm going to cut mine a little smaller. So I'm going to just cut the 2 sides off, all right? Okay, good enough. And now I'm going to put my ears on. I'm going to put glue right at the bottom on the front because I'm going to slide it underneath and press it. You could use tape also, which I might use for another part for the whiskers, okay? So now I have my 2 ears sticking up. Now we need the whiskers. Now, for whiskers, I found this bag that had black for my whiskers, but also I have pipe cleaners. You could use those too. You could color some snippets of paper. You could use straw that you found outside, anything you could think of. So I think I'll go ahead and use the green for this one just to be fun. And I'm going to use a tape for that because I don't know how to glue chenille sticks very well. So I'm going to put that down, sort of centered, and glue that on. Voila. All right. Now my guy needs a nose. Now, you could do a cutesy pink nose if you have little pom-poms, or you just use some tissue, wad it up into a ball, and voila, you have a nose. This time I'm going to use a little tape again. Put the tape there and push the nose down. So far, he's almost done. Now he needs the little teeth, so I'm just going to find a piece of white. I'm going to see how long I want it. That's pretty good. I am going to draw with a marker a little line for his teeth. And then I'm going to snip that in the middle of the black. And then you can glue that on, or you can tape it on. I'm just going to put glue this time. And it goes right underneath the nose. So he has his 2 little teeth. But I think he needs some eyes, so real quickly, now you can make your eyes as interesting. I think I'm actually going to use a crayon. You can add them. I'm going to put a few little eyelashes. And you have a cute little Velveteen rabbit. And he kind of can talk, all right? You can decorate any way you want. You can add things. You could make it more velveteen, but also you can do it with just these little scraps. All right, have fun with your Velveteen rabbit craft.